Want to replace the door seal on your dishwasher? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new door seal. Step 1. Remove the old door seal. Open the dishwasher door. The door seal runs along the inside of the appliance. Remove the door seal by gently pulling it off at the bottom. Step 2. Fit the new door seal. The smooth part of the door seal should come against the door, and the ribbed part is meant to push into the dishwasher. Push the seal where the previous one was. Push the door seal in as far as possible, but do not stretch it. Leave about 3 centimeters sticking out at the bottom. Step 3. Check correct closing of the door. Close the door and push it gently. Then open the door again and check that the door seal is still in the right place. Over the next few days, it may appear that the door opens and closes a little less easily than it did before. You have replaced the door seal and the dishwasher is ready to use again.